Every second, thousands of digital payments happen. UPI transfer, card swipes, loan approvals, and the online purchases. But did you know that one wrong click can lead to the fraud worth lakhs? So, who protects your money? The answer is FinTech Fraud Prevention System. Hello everyone, this is Chandra Bhattacharya from Dr. Saurabh's classes, and today we will understand how FinTech companies prevent the fraud using AI, machine learning and the real-time monitoring, and why this field is one of the most critical FinTech careers path in today's life. Now, as digital finance grows, fraud people also become smarter. Common frauds includes the fake links, identity theft, and the same swipe fraud, fake loan apps, and the account takeovers, etc. Without the strong systems, people lose money and the trust collapses. Now, how fintech detects the fraud? Fintech companies use the multiple layers of protection like the real-time transaction monitoring, behavior analysis like how users normally spend, AI and machine learning models, device fingerprinting and the location and IP tracking. These systems analyze thousands of parameters within milliseconds. Now, AI studies past fraud cases and learns the patterns. For examples, sudden large transfers, login from the unknown locations, and multiple failed OTP attempts. If behavior looks suspicious, then the system blocks, flags, or verifies the transaction instantly. The fraud prevention is not an optional thing. Regulators like RBI, SEBI, and the FIU require the strong AML systems, KYC verification, audit trails, and reporting suspicious transactions. This is where RegTech and compliance becomes very essential. Now, even the advanced systems face the challenges like false alerts, customer inconvenience, privacy concerns, and rapidly evolving fraud techniques. And that's why human oversight and ethical AI is very crucial. Fraud prevention creates the high demand roles like the fraud risk analyst, AML investigator, transaction monitoring specialist, AI model validator, and the cybersecurity analyst. Those jobs are stable, respected, and globally relevant. So, join Dr. Shoraf's classes. We focus on the concept clarity, exams, and the real world readiness with the small batches and one to one mentoring. So, join us today.